As business owners from all industries look to reopen and provide a safe and healthy environment for employees and their customers, considerable focus is on indoor air quality guidelines issued by the federal, state, and local agencies, including the American Society of Heating, Refrigerating, and Air Conditioning Engineers, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and the Department of Health. While criteria to which business must adhere in order to reopen have been communicated, what has not been conveyed is how to meet and, more importantly, pay for, monitor, and report the compliance of these guidelines to government agencies, employees, and customers. Many companies simply don't have the capacity, expertise, or capital to identify and implement the changes needed for compliance. But there's still hope. And you can make your employees and customers safer when you partner with the experts at EcoGroup USA. We collaborate with organizations of all sizes to help them achieve a new normal while knowing that they are meeting the newly imposed IAQ standards that will undoubtedly evolve with time. No matter what business or industry segment you represent, and whether your business has limited or extensive public contact, EcoGroup USA has the solution to be safe and in compliance with all federal and local ordinances. We can identify the steps needed to achieve compliance by providing subject matter expertise, sensors, monitors interfacing with our ECOSENSE platform, and financing. Our team has over 50 years of experience for this very moment using evidence-based solutions with proven effectiveness. EcoGroup USA's solutions include personal protection equipment, including medical-grade gloves, antimicrobial surface, air filtration, UV treatments, and technologies designed to mitigate threat posed by viruses, bacteria, and airborne pathogens. Screening and entrance technology, including the IonTemp thermal temperature scanner that provides the power and accuracy of large-scale airport systems in a next-generation mobile unit, and proprietary sensors designed to monitor, record, and report IAQ equipment performance and environmental conditions to achieve optimal antimicrobial conditions. When you partner with EcoGroup USA to implement our products and services, you are choosing proven products that are EPA-registered, FDA-cleared technology that prevent and control the spread of viruses and bacteria. Work with our team of experts to implement proven solutions identified specifically for your needs so that you can reopen safely, mitigate the risk of future closures, and most importantly, instill confidence and prove to everyone your company is providing safe and healthy indoor air conditions. EcoGroup USA has financing available for customers who qualify. Call us now or visit EcoGroupUSA.com to speak to a specialist who can help and assist you. We are all in this together, so let EcoGroup USA be your choice and your solution.